Rocket Lab's been the application of some of the things we've learned in class, but I think half of what I've learned here at USC has been Rocket Lab.
I learned how to do things with composites, make the nose cones and airframes, and then just last semester I was in charge of the nose cone and fin team for our last 2 rockets. So you just gain all this responsibility.
Classroom teaches you theory, but Rocket Lab is teaching you all about the practical approaches, and more than just the technical side of it, teaches you how to be a leader, how to work well with others, and how to get an overwhelming project done if you can work on it as a group.
You know, when it gets close to the countdown, I get really nervous and I get really excited to see how the rocket is going to fly and how it's going to perform.
As Dave's counting down as the rocket's on the pad, you know, a 10-second countdown.
All right, here we go with a 10-second count. 10, 9.
I'm sitting there like, okay, this is pretty cool. Everybody's quiet. There's nothing going on, you know. Desert, no noise, and then all of a sudden, the rocket fires, and it's just like, whoa.
Seeing the rocket take off was an amazing feeling to know that we built that from scratch, and to have been in the lab and seen every single piece come together and know what everything does, and then to see it fly.
It's one of the few opportunities that we see to really get involved and get hands-on experience here.
There are a few things that without this, my experience here would have just been like another international student's experience, but it is not. And a major part is the Rocket Lab.
It reminds you of why it is that you become an aerospace engineer. And it reminds you why it is that you spend so many hours in the lab, why it is that you spend so many hours in class. And it's just the best feeling ever. I really like that.